Okay, YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe. But we had a Suburban where an issue came in that where the sensor that goes in the back of the AC compressor had been replaced. But when we replaced it with this one. The original color that came off though was the purple one. So we just got the purple one. We're putting this back on now, and hopefully the AC compressor works. But I'm just showing y'all the part number that you want to get is 2055. I believe we got it from Advanced Auto, and this is on a 5.3 liter Suburban 2002. And we're gonna just go ahead and install this on here, put this O-ring back in, and hopefully we have some justice here. But I'll get back with you guys and let y'all know if this works or not. All right.